In today's video, we're going to take a look at some MagSafe accessories for the new iPhone 15 series. These will range from stands, battery banks. Right, without further ado, let's have a look at our first one, this MagSafe stand. Now, this is actually a two-in-one product. So if you've got two phones, you can put them both on and they'll both charge. This is great for people that have their personal phone and also a work phone. Or if you've got a pair of AirPods as well, you can easily just pop them below and they'll charge up as well. Now, by far my favorite feature of this is actually something that's been added into iOS 17. If you put your phone in landscape mode and then place it on the magnetic charger, it will turn into sort of a bedside clock. Now, this will only work on the iPhone 14 Pro, Pro Max, and also the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. That's due to the always-on display. This means the charger is ideal for a bedside table. Now, the only problem with this setup is if you don't have multiple different devices to charge, it is a little bit large, and you may not want that on your bedside table. That's where the next charger comes in. This is Belkin's Boost Charge Pro. And straight away, as soon as you get it out of the box, you can tell it's made with high quality materials. For a start, it has this lovely braided cable. It feels really nice, and they've not skimped on the length of it either. They've also included this nice rubber cable tidy as well, which is perfect as it is a fairly long cable. Add to that the charging puck is also a little bit rubberized. It means it's not going to easily slide off your phone as well. Right, let's plug it in and see what its party trick is. Now, because this is made for MagSafe, it actually provides 15 watts of charge rather than 7.5. This does mean it is a little bit more expensive than some of the other accessories, but I would say it's worth it if you're wanting a fast charge. Now, just like the previous one we looked at, you can actually use this as a bedside stand as well. This is thanks to on the back of the pad, it has a little kickstand. This product is perfect if you just want a sleek and stylish charger that is also pretty portable. However, if you are on the move all the time, the next product is definitely going to be for you. Now, this is Aarari's Re-Energy Power Bank. Now, in the box, you'll obviously get the power bank and also a nice little short USB-C to USB-C cable. Now, this power bank has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, so it will easily charge up your phone to full or just other accessories as well. Now, the best thing about this is that you don't actually have to plug it into your phone. Simply just press the button on the bottom, then magnetize it with MagSafe, and your phone will start charging. Now, it does have another trick up its sleeve though. Turn it round and you can actually sort of peel the back off. Then with some sort of origami, you can stick it back on and use it as a stand. You can use it in portrait or landscape mode, and even prop the phone up a little bit higher. This is excellent if you're traveling on the train and just want to catch up with some YouTube videos. Now, what I like about this is that it's really compact. You would definitely not feel this in a bag, and it wouldn't really go amiss in your pocket either. The magnets are also really strong, so it's not going to slide off in your pocket. There's also something about this power bank. It just feels really well made. The plastics are quite soft and don't feel cheap. Then you've got a nice rubberized material where the magnet sits as well. Then round back, where the origami style folding goes on, it's like a soft material, sort of like a microfiber on the inside and then like a rubberized one on the outside. Perfect, because you can just wipe it down if it gets a little bit dirty. Now, this product is actually 20% off at the moment, which makes it £10 cheaper than the Anchor equivalent. Links are in the description below. Now, our next product is going to be perfect for traveling as well, but only if you're in the car. This is Elixar's MagSafe 15-watt car mount. It will easily slot into most air vents, meaning that you don't have to have anything stuck to your windscreen. And when plugged in, it will easily charge your phone up with MagSafe. Now, because it's magnetized, it means you don't have to faff around with mounting your phone in every time with two hands. You can just hold your coffee in one hand and simply mount your phone with the other. Overall, the product does feel a little bit cheaper in the hands, especially compared to, say, the Belkin or the Aarari, but it will do the job. I think the main thing for me is it's not going to look out of place in your car. It doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. Let's move on to our final MagSafe accessory. This is Elixar's MagSafe wallet, and it's around 12 times less than Apple's version. Now, because of that, it definitely feels a little bit cheaper. It doesn't stick to the back of the phone quite as well, and the leather is probably mostly plastic. Now, other than that, it does act as obviously a normal wallet, so you can just store about 3 to 4 cards in, which isn't too bad. It's about all I carry. So it's basically just a wallet that sort of sticks to the back of your phone. It's definitely not my favorite product today. That has to go to the Aarari. I really like the fact that it's a power bank and a stand all in one. It makes it perfect for travel and it feels really well made. A close second though has to be that Belkin stand. It again also feels like it's premium. It doesn't feel like a cheap product at all. Links for all of these products are down below. And if you've enjoyed this video, remember to drop us a like and subscribe.